Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to dip your toes into email marketing or launch your first newsletter, you've probably heard of Mailchimp. Today, I'm walking you through the exact process to sign up for a free Mailchimp trial step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a brand new Mailchimp account, ready to start building your audience and sending out that very first campaign. Let's jump right in. First up, you'll want to head over to Mailchimp's website. You can do this by typing Mailchimp into your browser or just go straight to Mailchimp.com. It might seem obvious, but landing on the official page ensures you're signing up securely and you can see the most up-to-date features and plans. Once you're on Mailchimp's homepage, look for the Sign Up button. Usually you'll find it in the top right corner. It might just say Sign Up or Sign Up Free. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll start creating your account. Don't worry if the layout looks a little different for you. They sometimes update the interface, but the steps are pretty much the same. At this point, Mailchimp will ask you what you plan to use the platform for. You'll see options like websites, marketing, and so on. For most people, especially if you're here for the free trial, you'll want to pick websites. Think of this as Mailchimp's way of tailoring the experience to fit your needs, kind of like setting up your preferences before you move in. After you've selected websites, you'll be prompted once again to sign up free. Go ahead and hit that button. This tells Mailchimp you want to try out their free plan, and don't worry, you don't have to pay anything up front, so it's stress-free. Now it's time to enter a few basic details. Mailchimp will ask for your business email. Make sure you use an email you actually check regularly because they're going to send you a verification link soon and you won't be able to access your new account until you click it. After your email, you'll need to create a username. Pick something you'll remember, but don't stress, this is just for logging in, not something your audience will see, and set a strong password. Mailchimp usually requires a mix of numbers, letters, and maybe even a symbol or two. If you get stuck, just follow their password hints to make sure yours is accepted. Before you can move on, you'll notice there's a checkbox. This is usually for agreeing to Mailchimp's terms of service and privacy policy. Don't skip over this. It's a standard step for most online accounts, but it's always a good idea to understand what you're agreeing to. Once you've checked the box, you're ready to move forward. Now go ahead and press Sign Up. Mailchimp will work its magic for a second, and then you'll see a message telling you to check your email for verification. This is really important. Hop over to your email inbox and look for a message from Mailchimp. If you don't see it right away, give it a couple minutes or check your spam folder. Sometimes things end up there by mistake. Once the email lands, open it up and click the link inside. This is what fully activates your account. Without that last click, you won't be able to log in and start creating campaigns, so don't skip it. And that's it, you've taken all the necessary steps to get your Mailchimp free trial up and running. From here, you can start building your first email list, crafting your first campaign, and exploring all the tools Mailchimp has to offer. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you run into any challenges or have a question about Mailchimp, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next video.